Ah, sit close, little ones. Long ago, in the land of digits, numbers 1 through 5 walked proud, knowing their worth.
The higher numbers, 6 through 9, shone brightly, celebrating their strength across the kingdom.
But across the quiet river sat 0, Shunya, alone and forgotten in the dark.
Until number 1 stepped forward. "You are not empty," 1 whispered, taking 0's hand.
They stood together, and flash! They transformed into 10 times stronger.
One by one, every digit stood beside 0, unlocking incredible new strength.
Remember, my dears, standing together turns nothing into everything. Subscribe to Chuckleberry Junction for more stories.